Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Midday Update. I'm Laz. Just kind of going back to what I talked about early this morning, pre-market. Today is a day where I really believe that you are going to see if the bulls had any power, if we could get any follow through to that big up day we had on Monday, and it's just not happening. S&Ps as we speak are down about 15, 16 handles. Sellers back in business. Again, the path to least resistance right now for the short-term traders, for the active traders, is selling bounces. Selling bounces, whether it's in the indexes or in specific symbols, has been a very profitable trade. Today is a little bit different. You're not quite seeing that dramatic sell-off in some of the symbols that we've seen, like the Apples and the Googles. The banks taking it on the chin a little bit today, not to be unexpected, as the banks have been just a pure bloodbath overall. Let's take a look here at the S&Ps. We'll look at the spiders. And you can see our key moving averages are 821, still pointing down. We got that Monday, Tuesday bounce into the 8 and just rejected again, selling off today. We haven't undercut the lows from last week, and I'm not so sure that we're going to. Intraday right now, it's just let's take a look at a smaller time frame. A very choppy type of trade. We saw one push down early this morning, and it's been a series of just ebbs and flows for the better part of the last, 2 hours. I'm not really committing much capital here. I don't really see a whole reason to commit a lot of capital right here, right now. Still watching Apple very closely. We'll take a look at Apple, as it's really been, in my sights. Daily chart. We saw that selling yesterday. Just a pause here today. I suspected it might, so goes Apple, so goes the market. I love that, ideology, and it's that concept has made us a lot of money over the last, couple of years. Apple's very tight today, very range bound, not a lot of volume, not a lot of commitment. I'm hands off. I think it's a great way to be. I think, a lot of times making money in trading isn't about being in good trades. It's about knowing when not to commit capital. And that's really my lesson for this afternoon. I'm expecting more of the same, just a choppy, sideways, consolidating trade. Again, the carnage has been, there's carnage out there. I mean, the S&Ps are down a good chunk today, but not seeing that real impulse, push here intraday. So let's see how the rest of the day shakes out and what we can, get in tomorrow. I still think any gap up in the morning is sellable until we, this move really rinses itself out to the downside, or we have a very, very large gap down. I'm still in the camp of shorting bounces. That is the path of least resistance right now, and that's what I'm going to continue to look to do. As always, a planned trader is a profitable trader. I'm Laz, and I'll talk to you later.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman, CEO of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.